Did you know that you can remove duplicate items in Python using two methods? Let me show you how. So this is the first method. In this method, you generate a list and then you generate a new list with empty elements. So you write a for loop here and you iterate all the elements in the list one. If the elements in list one is not in new list, then what it does is it appends or it add the elements. And if the element is already in the new list, then it will not add anything. So that's the mechanism here. You want to add every unique element in the list. So this is the functionality. And now you would want to print that new list. But here's the second method. And I think it's the easier method to implement because you just write one line of code. So you write the new list here and you just convert the list into a set. But here's the problem because the set function will turn the list into a set, but you want it as a list. So you use the list function to convert the set into a list. And the specialty of the set is that it doesn't leave any duplicate item in its component. So that's the specialty. List can have duplicate items, repeated elements, but the set cannot have the duplicate elements. So we turn the entire list into a set and then again into a list. Then we print this out, and by doing so, we get exactly the same result.